Hiya YouTubers, this is my scooter. It's like 99% finished. A couple of things I need to do: get the surround back for the light, put that on. That's all working. There's a semi little wiring issue that I'm going to have to get someone to look at, so it's not really my thing. Just need the little bridge piece going on here, this just fixing down. That's about it. So there you go, this is me Lambretta Li150 Special. Pretty pleased with the paint job. It's nice and smart, nice and new. I mean, there's not a lot else I can really tell you. Start her up for you. Let's see if she'll go. Let's have a look. There you go. Starts first time, kid. Brilliant. So everything's up and running, ready to go. Need to get it registered, get the necessary documents from the DVLA, and get a number plate. Then get some insurance, and then I can go for a ride. So that's about it. So hope you've enjoyed the vid. Thanks for watching. There's not really a lot else I can say. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.